Parang you don't just take advantage na makikipaghalikan kayo, sleep with anyone, just because you think you're attracted to each other. Ang unang kumis sa'yo, dun ko na-realize na talagang na-inlove na ako sa'yo. Kasi para sa akin, wala akong desire to kiss anyone eh.
Uy, hindi pa tayo nagkikiss. First kiss natin yung wedding, char.
Mukha mo.
Joke lang. Cut niyo yun.
Hindi naman natin sasabihin kung kailan yun.
No, 30 plus na kami.
But what I'm trying to say is, that was the point in my life na-realize kong talagang na-inlove ako sa'yo. Kasi parang I had the desire to kiss you. Romantically, hindi yung seductively. Kumbaga parang I knew in my heart I was falling in love. Ano mo yun, parang ako namamagnet sa'yo na gusto kitang i-kiss. I just wish, nowadays, you give importance to that. Lalo na sa mga kabataan. Parang you don't just take advantage na makikipaghalikan kayo, sleep with anyone, just because you think you're attracted to each other. Parang give yourself that magical moment of falling in love and expressing your feelings through that, diba? Hindi dahil physically attracted or ano lang
Kasi
kayo.
sabi ko, pag ginawa ko yun, ito na yung huling lalaki.